Do you want to know how you can delete your Threads account permanently? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can permanently delete your Threads account. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Now, click on the profile, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner. Go to settings, which is on the top right hand corner, and go to privacy. Or if you don't find it in privacy, go to account. You can see that there is a deactivate or delete profile. Click on it and then click delete account. Go ahead and write down your Instagram password and then click delete Threads profile. This way you can permanently delete your Threads profile. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can delete your Threads profile. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Tap on your profile on the bottom right hand corner. Tap on settings and go to account. Click on deactivate or delete profile, and if you want to deactivate your profile, click deactivate profile and click deactivate. If you want to delete your profile permanently, go ahead and click delete profile, write down your username, write down your password, and then press delete Threads password. After you write down your password, click delete Threads password or delete Threads profile, and then your Threads profile will be deleted permanently. I hope this video about how you can delete your Threads profile permanently was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.